Hey everyone, this is Max Edson, co-founder of Priced, and I'm here to give you land tip number 49 on how to download comps into Excel. So as an example, what I did is already search San Bernardino County, and now I'm on our analysis results page. So whether you're looking further for pricing analysis or due diligence on a certain property, this is where you're going to start to go to the for sale comps to be able to download. So first and foremost, what I'm going to do is select a certain row. So I'm going to go with San Bernardino County, 20 to 24.99 acres. Let's say I want to look into that further. Once I have that, the pop-up box up top is going to come up and you're going to see you want to verify that you're in the same area. And then I'm going to select the for sale and sold comps button. So this is where all the comps come up for that area in our data table right here. So we give you the standard information for each comp. However, if you want to take it a step further, what you can do is export the comps into the Excel file. So this is where you're going to want to click that export button, and then you're going to see a download file come up, and then you could select it, and then this is where all the comps are going to show up in an Excel file for you. So I'm going to expand these rows so it's all the same information on that data table. Of course, what we also do is include a few additional columns for you to include the zip code column and then also the latitude and longitude of each comp. So this is how you download comps into an Excel file. Please like, share, subscribe if you want to learn more, and enjoy.